Hello everyone, my name is Ambarish and today I am sharing a feedback of one group named 90 Days Happiness Champion Magical Morning Mastery. It is taken by Dr. Dayanand Tiwari sir, and in this I am sharing my top 3 learning from this 90 Days group. First, my sleeping pattern improved by sleeping ritual. Second, my mind become calm and peaceful via meditation. Third, my body is improving day by day, and physical pain all removed by physical exercise, meditation, pranayam, etc., and many more learning from this group. I recommend everyone to attend the 90-day challenge with Dayanand Sir to improve his body, mind, soul. And this is all. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.